Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I got another unboxing video. Recently sold my Ebuggy to a friend of mine to help him get started, and I ended up selling electronics. Well, my Ebuggy hadn't come in yet, but today I got my new electronics. I ordered the same thing as last time. I got it from Dialed RC, and it's a Hobbywing XR8 SCT. Same ESC I've been using in my Ebuggy for a while now. Works out great. So let's get this guy opened up and see what it comes with. Well, I say I'm going to. This ESC is very reasonably priced, and does everything. I've had the XR8 Pro. It's a little bigger and almost runs identical. It's a little small. This one's a little smaller, a little lighter, and what I've been running for a while, so that's what I'll keep running. So there you have it. Now, one thing I always do with mine is remove this aluminum fan cover. Actually, this is different. This is different than the last one. The last one had a big shroud over it. This is just a cover. With the shroud, I was breaking a lot of them. So this might be a little better, but I like using the all aluminum housing fans. These don't tend to last super long time, so I'll probably change to like a J Concepts or a ProTech or something, whichever one I get my hands on at the time. So it's got a on-off button with a set to set the calibration, and just a super good ESC. Has plenty of settings. I've also got the it comes with extra fan. Comes with plenty of wire to wire up your motor and battery. Owner's manual, stickers, and heat shrink. I don't know what this is. I still don't know what that is. Some sort of sticker that says item value plus or minus, and of course it's got stickers. So there's that. Hopefully my new Ebuggy will be coming in soon. I can get all that wrapped up and have me a fresh Ebuggy electronics and Ebuggy and all. So there's that. XR8 SCT, super good ESC for Ebuggy, I think. And then for the motor, I have the 1900 4268 G3 censored brushless motor. Same setup I ran before. This is like the newer version of the same thing. Let's check this guy out. On today's unboxing knife, for those of you that care, is a case 3254 yellow handle trapper. I had an older one, like a mid-70s, and broke it. It was my daily user, and it broke my heart. And they wound up sending it back. They sent me a new 2021 version, so it's a user. It broke my heart when I lost it. It's like a 76 model. There's the motor. It's a little bit different cosmetically. The case is a little different, a little more heatsink to it. This is different for sure. I got the sensor plug on the back, the solder pins on the top, just like normal. Two different size mounting holes. Got some weight to it, that's for sure. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like a new sensor wire. Actually, two sensor wires, a short one and is that a longer one? Yep, it's just a little longer. That was like 4 and 6 inches, something like that.